Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install Oracle JDK 18 on Windows 11 operating system with Java underscore home environment variable. So here you can see that I have already downloaded Oracle JDK 18 for Windows as a zip file. So this is the zip file JDK 18. So I am going to extract the content to one location. So contents extracted successfully. So let us navigate the directory structure of Oracle JDK 18. So this is the bin directory, contains lots of DLL and executables required by Java. And this is jmods directory. So jmods directory contains a lot of modules, Java modules. So next lib directory. Okay. Next I am going to set Java underscore home environment variables. So I am going to copy the directories c:/JDK18. Copy this directory. So this PC, right click this PC, properties, so advanced system settings, environment variables. So under environment variables you can see two types of variables are there. One is user variable, another system variable. I am going to set Java underscore home environment variable under system variables. So I am pointing the JDK 18 directory. Next I am going to append the Oracle JDK 18 bin directory to Java path variable, Windows path variable. So this is the syntax to append the Oracle JDK 18's bin directory to Windows path variable, so that all the commands will be available in command prompt. All the Java 18 commands will be available in the command prompt. So click OK. All the environment variables set correctly. Now let me open the command prompt. So now let me run some of the commands. Yes. So I can able to run the Oracle JDK 18 commands, which shows that Oracle JDK 18 is installed successfully. Make sure that you have created the environment variable correctly and appended the JDK 18's bin directory to Windows path variable.